The captain's on our ship. I'm the beauty, you can see the beast sit on its twist. Middle fingers up because we sip Hennessy sip. Happy hoes never hating, baby, chota level shit. Fumando la pasta, el queso me encanta. Keep playing with me, you keep hating on me, but you taste it. We're gonna go up to the waterfall and we gotta follow these red dots to get to the waterfall. Not bad. I just took a shot, so just ignore me doing adult things. Yeah, so that, and then he brought the machete, and that's awesome because I bought that for like $5. The whole fucking machete. I was gonna buy the axe too, but I felt like that was doing the most. But next time that I go to Walmart, I'm buying a fucking axe. Huh? Yeah, we're literally walking through all this shit. Yeah. Yeah, so it's going uphill. It's a fucking workout. Okay, so we're following the red dots that are on the trees. Every tree is marked for the different trails that we gotta go through to get where we need to get. Okay, cool, we made it. The orange site. So we're gonna walk down all this and we'll see you in a bit. There's like different trails and different things that we could take. We're supposed to be following a map, but Vic is not even showing us what we're supposed to do to even get there. Like at Vicky's looking like a whole fucking pilgrim.
Oh, we right here.
They told us if we get to keep following the trails.
Come on, waterfall. It's one trail, the rock trail. Everything's clipped out.
Yeah.
If you really think about it, this is the main trail. And then you go and you cut down. Everything is right there, the water stream. You get lost, go by the water. The water is over there. The waterfall is close to it. You know what? It's cool because you know what?
It's an adventure.
I'm going to be hot.
We sweat.
I'm going to try to jump in stream.
It says from like regular like 3 feet to like 10, so it's kind of insane. Like a Vic's ready to chop some heads off. Ready for a zombie apocalypse at this point. Over here attacking the tree and shit. Poor tree. Ooh, careful. Careful. Slowly go down. But this should get real. Like you don't want to spray. You don't want to sprain an ankle out here in this bitch because you're gonna be fucked.
Yeah, that movie. When it was killing all the motherfuckers that think they was gonna be. Like the friends went to fucking camp and shit, and they. Instead of them killing them, they fucking killing each other.
Yeah. Alright, no, but we'll literally see you guys.
Nah, we good.
This time we're good. Alright. Look for that. No, I see cars and shit like that.
Yeah, we really walk in the woods.
Yeah.
It's literally like walking the woods, in the middle of the woods.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so we're trying to find this waterfall. And like they're telling us to walk through this. So it's crazy, like there's like trees covering everything, but you can't see shit. And like look. Literally on this is like it's insane. Literally.
Yeah, we can hear the waterfall. We just can't see it. See, there's like so many trails around this thing. He found it. He feels so cool doing that. We found it, y'all. Oh, look, you're supposed to walk over the bridge. There's already a couple there. Okay, so we need to find out how to go around this, Vic. We have to figure out how to get on that side. Because he went on the wrong side, Vic. You can see the shit from the side. You can see it on both sides. Oh my god, this is fucking insane. We're sweaty. It's hate it. Look at that. Oh my freaking god. That's nuts. Oh look, and that's the second waterfall I talk about. So you can literally walk down in there, right?
We can walk down this one and stand under that.
Alright, should we do a selfie next to we should do a selfie? Okay. Sit down.
Good.
Can I fix my hair? Hold on. Okay, come on, let's take a selfie. Come on. Take a selfie. Come on, Vic. Literally, that shit is insane. Two waterfalls in the back. Say literally two. And then the other one. Okay, so literally let it go in there. It's gonna be cold. Ah! Whew. Okay. It is, I know. I know. You're freezing. Okay. Okay, so we got closer to it. Oh my god, Vic. Yeah, I want to see how deep it is. I want to see how deep it is. Go ahead. Oh my god, the crunchies, Vic! Alright, oh god. Okay, alright. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my god, it should look cold as fuck! Oh my god. It's deep? Woo. Oh my god, it seems like it's freezing! You did that. You did that. Oh my god. So we're fucking literally at the fucking shit. Yeah, literally in the fucking water. Oh my god. Okay, so Vic's gonna bring me a floaty so that we can hurry up and jump in these waters. We're gonna drown. We're gonna fucking drown in the fucking water. We're gonna drown. Oh my god. Bruh. Look at him! Why'd you bring that out of everything? What the fuck? Who does that? Ooh. Nah, he's having trouble even making it over here. Heck, I thought you were gonna bring. No, you did not just bring a fucking truck. Oh shit, that's fucking lit. That's just a. Oh, we literally went under the fucking waterfall. Oh my god. Look at that man. Holy shit. I'm about to go get one of the floaties up there and we're about to get turned the fuck up. So we will see you guys. Oh my god. And then the one down there. Ready?
Oh shit! Woo! Wow, that was crazy. Whoa!
You did it!
Oh, that was crazy.
I need to help you, okay? You got it?
Yeah. Not the floor. That was crazy. That was some scary shit. That was far. I'm done. You done?
I guess, yeah,
You wanna jump up there? You wanna jump from up there?
no.
Alright. Man, that's scary.
That shit looks scary. Shit, you did that. You did that.
I was about to dive in, but I didn't know how deep it was. Now it's recording. Go. There you go. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Stop panicking. Go. There you go. That little ass jump.
I know. Hold on.
Yep. There's a rock right there.
Hold on.
Come this way. There's more rock. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Nigga. Is that? Was it that bad? No. You did good. Good job. Good job. You should have jumped hard. Right? That shit deep. I told you.
Yeah. Oh my god, my contact almost came out.
I know. When I was up there, my shit, I thought it came out. I'm like, oh shit.
Oh my
This
god,
is beautiful.
I'm so happy I did it. Thank you.
You did it. You done?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. We had a good time. Come on.
Okay. Oh my god. What is something that done? Wow. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh shit. We did it. I said that's just so scary. Oh my god. Jesus, Sergeant Christ.
See the captain's on a ship. I'm the beauty, you can see the beast sit on its twist. Middle fingers up because we sip Hennessy sip. Happy hoes never hating, baby, chota level shit. Fumando la pasta, el queso me encanta. Keep playing with me, you keep hating on me, but you taste it.